It's never been a better time to love your home. Hey everybody, it's Rich at Confederation Log and Timber Frame. I hope you're all staying well and staying safe. I came across a quote the other day that kind of hit home with my family and I. It's never been a better time to love your home. And we're all at home right now. We're all doing the things that we're supposed to be doing and self-quarantining and working as much as we can. But it's a really good time to reflect with family and love the home that you're in. And that's part of the reason why we've started this AMA Ask Me Anything on our website, where people like yourselves can submit questions. Being an interest in log and timber frame homes, I'm sure there's things that are on everybody's mind, and you can use this downtime to get answers and get more familiar with the building process. So we have a couple of questions that have been submitted. I'll play the first one. I believe it's from Kelly.
Hi, Rich. I'm Kelly, and I'm from Toronto. I just want to start out by saying I love all the floor plans and everything that you send out, so keep it coming. Thank you. My husband and I are interested in building a cottage, and what I want to know from you is what is your most popular cottage floor plan and why? Thanks, Rich.
Thank you, Kelly. It's a good question. It's a little bit difficult to answer, though, because it's so very custom. I do see with a lot of our cottage plans that bedrooms are typically smaller because the time is more focused on being out at the lake or on the deck or in a sunroom or in the great room as opposed to having big bedrooms for sleeping. So that is one kind of characteristic or trait in the design of cottages that is fairly popular. Our most popular plan, to answer your question, Kelly, is the Hillcrest on our website, and we'll put a link below so that you can check that out. But to really kind of answer it, I know this is going to sound corny, the most popular plan is yours. You want to start thinking about a wish list, a needs and wants. What's the cottage going to be used for? Is it just going to be a 3-season? Is it going to be a spot to have the family up at Christmas time? Do you need to have a large seating area? What is going to be the primary use of that cottage, and make those notes, and then we can design around that. And that's what we do for all of our clients, whether it's a house or a cottage. We figure out what is important to them, and then we design it accordingly. So I hope that helps. Great question, Kelly. We have one more from, I believe, Glenn.
Hi, Rich. My name is Glenn. I live in Toronto. And I've been dreaming about building one of your homes for years on my lot that I purchased by the lake. And I was curious, if someone like me were to build one of your homes myself, what's the skill set involved in doing that? I'm curious to know how experienced I have to be and what's involved. And I've got a couple of plans picked out. So, yeah, I'm just curious to know what you think. Thanks, Rich.
Thank you, Glenn. Interesting question. It's a fairly popular question that we get asked a lot, is about the capabilities of a self-build or a DIY. We do have a full training program at our head office that goes through our manual that comes with each one of our homes. And then there's some on-site assistance as well. So we will help you get those logs and timbers put together and make sure that you and your crew do feel comfortable on site. So to answer your question, Glenn, we would want to have a chat about what your skill set is, what your building background is, and then we can help you with all of the gaps to be bridged from a log and timber frame aspect. Because if you have building experience, building frame or conventionally built houses, you can build one of our homes. The roof structure is the exact same. The only foreign part will be the actual logs or timbers, and that's where we help from a head office and manual standpoint as well as on site. So I would suggest getting in touch with us. Again, we'll put our contact information down below so that you can get in touch, and then we can have a chat about those questions, and we can proceed accordingly. Thank you for those questions, Kelly and Glenn. And if you would like to submit questions, we will put a link again below. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you get updates on when new questions arise, because maybe somebody's already asked the question that you are thinking about, and you can get answers. So thank you, everybody, and stay safe.